I'm going to show you 4 kinds of microwave ramen recipe in this video. Number 1. Ramen only. Add ramen powder and noodles to a pasta bowl and add 400 ml of water. When noodles start floating, that's about 400 ml. Put your bowl in the microwave and cook it for 2 minutes. Then turn the noodles upside down and cook it for 4 more minutes. Number 2. Cheese ramen. Simply follow the same step but reduce second cooking time to 3 minutes and add cheese. Then cook 1 more minute. Number 3. Egg ramen. For egg ramen, you better break the noodles beforehand. Follow the same step and after you turn over the noodle, break 1 egg in the middle. Cook 4 more minutes. Leave the yolk intact if you want it runny. Break the yolk if you want it half cooked. If you like your egg fully cooked, just cover the egg with noodles and eat it in a few seconds. Number 4. Egg and cheese ramen. Now you know what to do, right? After you add egg, cook 3 minutes and stop to add cheese. Cook 1 minute more. I used to buy cup noodles for travel, but cup noodles take up space. Moreover, cup noodles are half the weight with same or higher price. Besides, it's a great recipe when you want to get lazy. I use 800-watt microwave. Please adjust your cooking time accordingly. And thumbs up if you like my video. 안녕!